So everybody's experience is not going to be the same, guys. There's over 1,000 staff and crew members on this ship, and they're away from their families anywhere from 3 to 6 months, or even without having a vacation if they don't have families, guys. So they work hard despite the complaints, despite the bickering, despite people who feel like they are privileged. They still maintain their professionalism, and they still manage to keep a smile on their face, guys. We don't do negativity on this channel. We don't talk about pros and cons. We don't badmouth. We don't do none of that, guys. I'm the type of person, I see life for what it really is, not the way that you think that it's supposed to be. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and start the video, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, what's going on? I'm C. Los, and welcome back to my channel. Pay yourself back, guys. We're always about having a good time, enjoying life while being mentally aware and, of course, spiritually aware, guys. And today is the day that we're going to take off on a cruise, guys. We're here in Cape Canaveral, Florida, just about an hour and a half up from Port St. Lucie, where we live here, guys. And so we're doing the MSC Seashore, going to the Bahamas for 4 days, 3 nights. And so we are here, guys. And so I must say right off the back that there is a little bit of confusion trying to get to the terminal. That's one thing you got to really pay attention to. Even though there was a little bit of a line, it moved pretty fast. But hello. But as you can see, we're getting ready to go get checked in right now. You see there's a line. That's one thing I can say. It looks like a lot of people. Well, it is a lot of people, but the lines move pretty fast. So that's the really good thing about boarding. I mean, embarkation is 12:30, so we still got, it's only like 5 after 12, so we got plenty of time.
It's just a little sticky.
I know. Yeah,
just
that's
don't
true.
want to open. It's like a clam.
That is true.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
That's a good one. You gotta take care. First thing you want to do is go to your room. The keys should be in a little, pouch. You get your keys, then that way you can stay in your room, I guess, and watch the muster video. It's like a safety video. If you've ever been on a ship before, you know that you got to watch these videos, or sometimes you don't actually. This is something new. You actually can watch the video. Last time when we went on Margaritaville, we had to meet up in a certain area on the ship, and then they did the muster that way. But this time, I guess, which is a good thing, because it's 5,000 people on this ship, so it's almost impossible to get everybody in a group on certain parts of the ship. All right. I think guys, so far I am impressed. Hey, we need to go to the elevators so we can get. We're gonna have plenty of time to look at this. Guys, if you are confused as to where you need to go or where you need to be, they have these people here. See this guy right here? It says Stare Guide right here, and they have these people here that can tell you if you want to know where certain things are on the ship, so they can tell you. That's a pretty cool thing. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and do a room tour here. The MSC Seashore, room 9271. So let's go check it out. Of course, you got your room key. Everything goes on your room key. All right, let's see what's up. All right. So you have to have your key, put your key in here in order for the lights to come on and basically everything to work. Over here, as you see, if you want your room, you want room service and maid service or whatever, press that, blah, 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 and then they come. So let's just take Oh, yeah. That's Miss Janet there. What's up, Miss Janet? What's going on?
Hi.
All right. It's not too bad, guys. This is the Bella, and it is a this is a room with a balcony. Pretty cool here. You got temperature settings here, up warmer, cooler. And being right now we're in Cape Canaveral, we haven't took off yet, and it is probably in the 60s, guys. It's pretty chilly outside. You also have a manual. Oh, that's for the bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom real quick. Yeah, off, on, light for the bathroom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You know, it's a little bit of a step up, I guess. Well, way much of a step up from the Margaritaville. Of course, this ship was built, this Seashore ship was built in, from my understanding, 2021. So I mean, it's fairly new. Here you got your seat. You want to take a good little poop right there, which I'm pretty sure I'll be visiting that thing a couple times. But yeah. All right, let's walk around here, guys. You got your towels here. And you have a little flip out mirror here. Ooh. All right, let's see what else we have. It's just a basic room, guys, not too much. Oh, my drink right there. Watch out. Also, guys, you have a charging station for your cell phone, which is, I thought was pretty cool. Couple plugs right here. You got a nice little Samsung TV right channel. All right, guys, you got your safe over here in case for your valuables. More storage here in your closet. Got the racks. Got your little bag right there, I guess, for your laundry or whatever, in case you want to hang up your clothes. Yada yada. Ooh, you know what? They don't have an iron, Janet.
No.
We gotta probably request to get one. Yeah. So it's pretty basic, guys. It's not a whole lot to it. I mean, but you don't need a whole lot. But this is, again, this particular room here faces, it's a room on the outer side of the ship with a balcony. We're on the 9th floor. Let's go take a look outside. Check out this balcony. The unfortunate part about the balcony, obviously, if I can figure out how to open it. You guys remember in Jamaica when I did the video? There we go. Is that you really don't have a lot of privacy unless you stand right here where nobody can see you. But as you come out here, if you want to get one of these little, I don't know, lounge chairs, you come out here, you want to chill out, blah, 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 and then you look up. Everybody can see you. Again, guys, we're here in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Next time we'll probably be trying to get one of these rooms up here where you have you have more privacy. But hey, you live and you learn. It's okay. We're gonna make the best of it, nevertheless, baby. All right. Okay. I like how they have the little lights here. You know, this is pretty cool. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now these lights here, you have your on, off. 1, 2. Yeah, we got a shortage in that one. I gotta call maintenance. That's the way that's supposed to work. High to high. Nice little hidden map lights, so to speak, or reading lights, I would say, when you're in the bed. So here's another thing I'll tell you with your bags. This is what I would recommend. Before we checked in, we dropped our bags off. So we're still waiting on those right now. They're still being processed and dropped off. And again, this is a big ship, over 5,000 something passengers aboard, boarding this ship. So I mean, it's probably gonna take a while. Still early. It's like, well, it's like 10 to 3 or 10 after 3, excuse me. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. We'll walk around. So if you want to have little spirits here, you want to get your ice for your drink, you got that. Room service, QR code right there. You see it. This is it, guys. This is the room. MSC Seashore, room 9271, baby. Yeah, yo. There you go. You don't mind it?
Lime?
Sure. That's our bartender right there, Elvis. Cool cat, man. So we just finished up with the buffet. Buffet is huge. Well, it's the same. They got probably about, I don't know, maybe, I don't know how many stations. They got X amount of stations over here that basically serve the same thing as far as the buffet is concerned here on the 16th deck. The food is so-so. I mean, they have, you know, a little bit of everything, the buffet style food, you know, your pizza, your burgers, your hot dogs, you know, they got a variety of different little buffet style sweets, you know, the little square cut little mini cakes. No, it's not bad. I mean, but you definitely if you want to get some real food, you want to get to one of the restaurants, you know, which will be later on this evening. But, yeah, the food is not bad. I was looking for something where they had like something like more vegetarian type of. I mean, we got salad, you know, and stuff like that. But nothing specifically for like vegetarians or vegan stuff like that. I mean, beyond burgers, they don't have that. They just got regular burgers. So, but anyway, yeah, we're still just chilling. All right, guys, so this is day 3 of our cruise to the Bahamas, and unfortunately today we were supposed to be rerouted, you know, basically from Nassau to the Ocean Cay MSC Marine Reserve here in the Bahamas. Unfortunately, this morning they came out and said that the waves or the wind was too much, from what I understand. So we at first we thought that, you know, it was going to calm down and everything, and we would be able to dock the ship. But they said, you know, after a while, they said that you know, we're not going to be able to, you know, dock. So the trip was great. I mean, had a good time. But that's just the sucky part about it. We didn't get a chance to go to Ocean Cay. I would have liked to see Ocean Cay. I mean, it's not like it's a lot there, but it's just something that you know, part of the cruise that you expect to see, you know. But it's all good. So I just wanted to chime in and let you guys know, yeah, that's the deal on that one. And it's nothing that we could do about it. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I mean, if they say that the captain comes on to say that, you know, unfortunately we can't, you know, dock the ship over at the reserve due to weather or whatever the case may be, then hey, it is what it is. I'm just glad that we are out of hurricane season, because I could just imagine trying to go anywhere on this side of between Florida and the Bahamas in like October, November, December. So it's all good. It is what it is.